I'm Miranda with WTI, and this is the leather conditioner by the brand Weiman. This is an amazing product. I use it especially for my leather couches, but you can use it on any leather materials that you have. I also used it for my car when I was in a pinch, and it works amazing. It not only cleans, but it helps conditions it, and it protects. Leather couches, especially if you're sitting in the same spot over numerous times, you'll notice that the material starts to not break, but it starts kind of just like drying out and deteriorating a little bit. So it is very important to make sure that you're moisturizing it on a daily basis. Is it removing the dirt and grime, but it doesn't leave a sticky residue. And it has a very nice smell to it as well. Show you how to do it. Oh, and it also comes with this microfiber cloth. It makes cleaning so much easier. It's one less thing I have to think about it. I keep this together with my cleaning supplies, so that way I don't have to scramble to find a cloth. I already have one. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I like to use it, and then you'll be able to see the before and after from top to bottom. And I just spray generous amount. My cloth, I go in and I clean it. And I like to go from top. As you can see, like, it is already dried, and all I did was pass it over one time. And I don't know if you can see how it looks extra shiny. And moisturize, this side looks compared to this one. Yeah, so I highly recommend this, and that is my point of view.